Understanding, Feeling Defeated, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, feeling defeated. Understanding idioms can be challenging, but they're a vital part of mastering the English language. So, let's explore what it means to feel defeated and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. Feeling defeated refers to a state of feeling overwhelmed, discouraged, or a sense of failure after facing setbacks or difficulties. It's a common emotion experienced by people in various situations, such as after losing a game, failing an exam, or encountering personal challenges. This phrase paints a vivid picture of someone who feels like they've lost a battle, not necessarily in a literal sense, but metaphorically in their personal or professional life. To understand this idiom better, let's look at some examples. After numerous job rejections, John felt defeated and considered changing his career path. Despite studying hard, Maria felt defeated when she didn't pass her driving test on the first try. The team felt defeated after losing the championship game, despite their best efforts. These examples show how feeling defeated can apply to various scenarios, helping learners understand the breadth of its usage. It's important to remember that feeling defeated is a temporary emotion. Here are some ways to overcome this feeling. Reflect on what you can learn from the experience. Seek support from friends, family, or mentors. Set new goals and develop a plan to achieve them. Emphasizing resilience and the ability to bounce back from setbacks is crucial in language learning and life in general. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, feeling defeated, and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a colorful way to express emotions and situations in English, and mastering them will greatly enhance your language skills. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into English idioms.